Convert given percents to decimals and fractions. First one, 25%. We have to write it as 25, remove percentage, write 100 divided by 100. Decimals, 25, 2 zeros are there, therefore 2 digit after point, 0.25 in decimal. Fractions, 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100, 1 by 4 in fraction. 150, 150 divides 100, remove percentage, write 100. 2 zeros are there, 2 digit after point, write it as 1.5 in percentage. Fractions, 1010 cancel, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 3 by 2 in fractions. 20%, 20 remove percentage, write 100, 20, 2 zeros are there, 2 digit after point, this is 0.2 in decimals. 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 5s are 10, 1 by 5 is in fractions.